everybody. So I just made myself a plate of sweet potato fries. They're not really fries, they're more like wedges, I suppose. I just peeled a sweet potato and chunked up a sweet potato, coated it with extra virgin olive oil, salt, and pepper, roasted it in the oven about 400 degrees for about 20 minutes, turned them once about halfway through, so 10 minutes into the cooking, and then let them cook another 10 minutes, and there they are. I'm kind of getting irritated filming with my little camera on my phone, but it is what it is. I'd like to do some other recipes, but it's going to require my regular camera, which we all know has some issues. So anyway, guys, this is, I guess, what I'm having for a late breakfast this morning. My stomach is still upset, still fighting a headache, but aren't we all? So until tomorrow, guys, live, laugh, and love.